Tatandaan nyo to mga kapatid, lalo na sa nagdadalawang isip ngayon. Dahil matindi mga pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Kung ikaw ay nakakaranas ng opposition, hindi yan laging senyales na mali ang ginagawa mo. In fact, ang opposition sometimes is a reminder for all of you that you are doing something right. Pero kahit hindi maganda ang mga nangyayari sa buhay mo at mananatili kang tapat, ang pangako ng Lord, you will receive the crown of life. Kung magtitiis ka at hindi ka magpapatinag sa kahit anong pagsubok na yung pinapanampalatayanan, daring faith ba? Na kahit parang illogical, pwede mo sabihin, dati nung hindi ako nagsisimba, mas lalong okay pa buhay ko, balik na lang ako doon. Kung magpapatuloy ka, even to the point of death, even to the point of bankruptcy, even to the point of sickness, even to the point of issues and struggle, ang sabi ng Panginoon, ang mananatili hanggang wakas. Be faithful until the point of death, and you will receive the crown of life. That's daring faith. Because you are taking bold steps to the new level of your life. At ang boldness, it requires courage for you to step in and step out of your comfort zone. Kailangan mo manampalataya sa Panginoon na kung ano ang kanyang sinabi. Mananampalataya pa rin ako sa Panginoon kahit na yung nakikita ko ngayon na hindi okay. Because they kept on believing that Jesus Christ rose again from the dead. Amen? Bago si Jesus Christ, hindi naman sila ginagalaw eh. Pero nung nabuhay na maguli ang ating Panginoong Hesus and they kept on preaching about Jesus Christ, isa-isa silang nawawala. Ang mga kaibigan nila, unti-unti yung pinapatay. Ang simbahan, pinapatigil, pinapasara. Pero sabi ng Panginoon, I know your suffering. I know your struggle. But if you will remain faithful unto the end, even to the point of death, you will receive the crown of life.